Deadliest month of the pandemic for our country, with more than 66,000 deaths. And the U.S. set a new record yesterday for having more than 100,000 hospitalizations for 27 days in a row. But with at least 2 million doses of COVID-19 vaccines already administered, including 53,000 of them here in Ohio, officials say there is reason for optimism.
And you may soon need to show proof that you have your COVID-19 vaccination if you want to travel or maybe go to a big public event. Meg Shah has the details on how this could work. Meg.
Well, Katie and Mike, I think for many of us, we've been dreaming about traveling in the new year, maybe taking that trip that you didn't get to here in 2020. But before you hop on that plane or you go to that concert, you may need an extra app on your smartphone to show that you've been vaccinated.
The push to vaccinate against COVID-19 is on. 11 million doses have been shipped out in the U.S., with just over 2 million people receiving their first dose. Medical experts say in order for life to get back to normal, we need a majority of the population to receive the vaccine.
Traveling early in 2021 is possible, but certainly by late 2021, if enough of us take the vaccine, it's going to be, you'll have forgotten all about COVID and we'll be back to normal.
And now you may need it to travel, go to a concert, or get inside of a stadium. The Common Trust Network and World Economic Forum have teamed up with hundreds of health systems and airlines to develop an app, allowing users to add their medical data, creating a health certificate or passcode that they can show. But Dr. Amy Edwards with University Hospital says we're a bit ahead of the game with this technology because right now the vaccine has only received its emergency use authorization.
Government's not allowed to require us to be vaccinated with it right now. Now, if the FDA grants these vaccines full approval, in the next 6 months or 8 months, then yes, like your kid could be required to have it to go to school. You could be required to have it to do various things.
Dr. Edwards says she's not sure what this means in terms of privacy, but added some international travel already requires certain vaccinations. COVID-19 could just be added to the list.
Any international traveler is used to carrying something like this together with their passport. So I would think that would be very easy.
Now, of course, there's a lot of moving parts to this, and the companies that are working on these types of apps, the biggest hurdle that they now have to clear is how do they protect personal medical information on their apps while also considering the effectiveness of the different types of COVID-19 vaccines. Reporting live, I'm Meg Shah, News 5.
Okay, Meg, thank you. Speaking of the vaccine.